Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I kind of thought, do you know what, I really want to help all you guys and girls out there get yourself a boyfriend, long-term commitment. So I kind of thought, do you know what, let's do a makeup tutorial on how to impress boys, how to get a boyfriend. Well, obviously, as you know, whenever you're going on a first date or you're just meeting up with a boy or he is a potential boyfriend, lifelong partner, you kind of want to look your best and you just really want to look so natural and just glowing from within. So I just thought, you know what, let's just do a makeup tutorial on how to get a boyfriend. And I have toothpaste on my face. That's a very attractive start. Of course we're not going to start with primer because nobody has time with that. So the three cement products that I'm going to go in with first are probably either the L'Oreal True Match or Max Factor Pan Stick. Although I might go with the Max Factor Pan Stick first because I kind of find that it is more on the natural side. I kind of want to be quite light-handed with this product. So obviously you're wanting your actual skin to shine through and you're not wanting to look like a complete cake face. Whenever it comes to picking the shade of your foundation, you don't want to pick a shade that is the same colour as your skin tone because we all want to be a bit tanned, right? So now that we just have a few wee stripes just on our face, not too much as I was saying because we don't want to be a complete cake face. Just gonna go and buff that out, and whenever I'm buffing that out I'm just using a brush and I'm just going to take it just around my chin area. We are not going to drag it down to our neck because that's just wasting product and that's really not cool and so silly because makeup can be so expensive these days and we are not going to waste any of our product down our neck. Like, who does that? So even whenever you are blonde, you are going to really get it up into your hairline. Also don't want there to be an obvious giveaway around your hairline, so you really want to get it like right into your scalp. So now that we are a lovely shade of mahogany, I'm actually going to go in with the pan stick just one more time. So I'm just going to take just a wee bit more pan stick and just run this across my lips because you can never have too much foundation around your lips. So even though we do have quite a light base going on, it's not too heavy, it's not too cakey, there's not much coverage. I just want to lighten up our face a bit more, give our face a wee bit more dimension and, as I say, a wee bit more coverage because I'm not cakey right now, but I just kind of think I need a wee bit more coverage. So I'm just going to go in with a concealer. So I'm just going to take this concealer just on the areas where I need a wee bit more coverage and where I want to highlight. And I'm just going to buff that in. Oh, we are looking absolutely stunning. He is going to want to propose to you straight away. So to set down all our fantastic work, I'm just going to take a loose powder. So I'm just going to use this powder to bake. And I'm not going to take a lot. Kind of just bake just the tiniest wee bit because we haven't got much product on our face. So there isn't much baking needed. And we'll just do our neck for the sheer crack of it too. And now I'm just going to blend that away. So the idea of not putting a lot of powder product on is that you're wanting to look dewy and not really matte and scaly. So now that we are looking quite dewy and just like a healthy, luminous, natural glow to our skin, next up we are going to go in with some blusher. We're just going to go extremely light with the blusher. You're just wanting to have just a natural, healthy, flushed look glow about you the whole way through the date. So also picking out your blush shade, you obviously want to pick out something that's a lovely pink shade because pink and red is the colour of love. So next up we are going to sculpt our face and contour. We are not going to let on that we are a potato. We are going to pretend that we are a beautiful sculpt goddess. NARS Laguna bronzer. This is a disgusting bronzer, so you obviously want to pick something that is the colour of shit to contour with. So you just want to really try to find your face. To bronze a wee bit more, I'm going to use some bronzing balls, and I'm just going to place that just where I placed the contour. Magnificent. So because I don't think we are J enough, I'm going to go in with a highlighter now. And this is the Too Faced Candlelight Highlighter. I'm just going to use this for my cheekbones, tip of my nose, cupid's bow to make my lips look more plump. I don't actually think we're highlighted enough, so I'm just going to go with a Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. This is in the shade Santorini. I love these highlighters. So instead of actually using a brush, I'm just going to dip my nose actually into the product. So as you can see, that is so highlighted. That is what I want. That looks incredible. So again, we're just going to dip our face into the product. Ooh, that is amazing. He is going to see his future in my highlighter. I'm just going to highlight my forehead as well, highlight my neck, my ears. You just want to highlight absolutely everything. I'm just going to highlight my chin as well, just for the crack of it. Glowing. So next up we have is eyebrows. So obviously whenever you're picking out your eyebrow colour, you want to go for a shade that is completely different to what your hair colour is, your regrowth colour is. But I'm just going to go for a dark brown, and I'm just going to exaggerate my eyebrows because who wants to follow the real hair of their eyebrows? The reason you do your eyebrows in the first place is to change the shape of your eyebrows. You really want to make your eyebrows look like the McDonald's arches. That is the aim in the game. Every time he sees your eyebrows, he will just want to go to McDonald's for a McFlurry, plain double, whatever, and then he'll take you with him, and then it's a win-win situation, isn't it? So obviously to keep your eyebrows more natural, I'm just going to box them off. Like so, because whenever people have eyebrows like this, it is so natural and nice. It's absolutely beautiful. And you just kind of want to over exaggerate your eyebrows so that your eyebrows look like a roof of a building, and you just want to fill them in so they are blocked right out. Once you have that done, how you want to draw your eyebrows on as well is you don't want them to be completely even. So you want to keep an eyebrow that's higher than the other so that your face is constantly like, so that you're so interested in him and just so intrigued in everything he's saying. So even whenever you are completely bored of the absolute bullshit that this boy is spilling to you, even if you're like completely scunnered, you're still like, So now it's time for eyeshadow, my favourite part. You want to take an eyeshadow that matches your eye colour. So my eyes are blue, so I'm going to go for a blue eyeshadow. So whenever you're doing your eyeshadow, you kind of want to make it as subtle and as natural as possible. So obviously, looking at this makeup now, it is so subtle. You're kind of wanting to do something a little something, extra, you know, going the extra mile. So I'm just going to put the tiniest bit of a purple eyeshadow just along my lower lash line. Gorgeous. Because you're wanting to keep the eyes very simple, just basic, but yet still pretty. Whenever you first meet someone for the first time, their eyes is such a main factor, especially whenever you're a girl. Boys don't look at your boobs at all. They only care about your eyes. So you always want your eyes to look so big and lovely and just like the moon, really. So we obviously want to use a really light eyeliner or something like that. So I'm just going to take a black eyeliner and I'm just going to fill this in my waterline and my tight line, like so. So now I'm just going to go in with a liquid liner, and this is just going to uplift my eyes even more. Now we're just going to try and basically draw ourselves a different eye shape. So to do this, I'm just going to draw a wing. I'm going to start down here and flick right up, and then you're going to bring it back again, just like so. How beautiful and natural does that not look? And then again on the other side. So subtle. Kind of the idea is you kind of just want to join it to your eyebrows. That's always a win-win. For mascara, you just don't care how you apply mascara because we're just going to apply false lashes anyway. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to jump onto lips. I'm going to take a purple lip liner because I thought it would just be really nice to match my eyeshadow. You want to overline your lips as much as possible because you want to just give the illusion of such a big puckered trout pout basically, and you just want your lips to look like an asshole. So yeah, so natural. Before I jump onto my lips, I'm just going to now apply my false lashes. So I'm just going to pop them on just like that because it is so easy to put on false lashes that is literally just done. So that's it. That is literally just how you apply false lashes. You don't need to trim them because the longer the lashes are, the better and more flattering they are because hairy eyes is what you want. So then for lips, I'm just going to go for something that's so natural because you don't want to go too heavy on the lips, too sticky, too tacky. You know, in case you're going to be eating, drinking, smoking, fucking, sucking or whatever. I'm just going to be applying a lip tar. I'm just going to take a slightly generous amount and I'm just going to, oh yeah, he is going to drop at my knees. So I just kind of remembered that we did overline our lips, so we're going to need so much more product. And as well as that, we must all remember more is more. To know when you must stop applying your lip products, if your lips do not do this, it means you haven't got enough on. And this has a minty taste to it as well, so it just means that I'm not going to have to brush my teeth whenever I go on a date. That it just means that all of this minty stuff from the lip gloss is going to make my breath taste and smell so nice, and it's just going to have a really nice lipstick taste to it too. The last step in this tutorial is to set your final piece of art in place, because obviously no matter what you're doing on this date, you are going to be prepared. So you're going to set your makeup in place with a setting spray, and I'm just going to do this up really close just so it really sets, you know. So after 26 minutes has passed and you have finished setting your face, obviously you want to smell so nice on a first date or whenever you first meet a boy. So you just want to take your Charlie Pink body spray and spray yourself everywhere. Beautiful. So now that you look so so glam, natural, beautiful and fresh, and your skin is just glowing from within, you are now ready to go on your date. And I would say if you go out looking like this, what we have done here today, he is going to propose straight away. You are going to be wifey for lifey. That ring is going on that finger, girl. So this is the completed makeup look. I don't really think I need to actually mention this. This is a piss take video, by the way. Nothing I have literally just said is absolute nonsense, a joke, sarcasm at its finest, and I cannot wait to wash my face. Ah! Like, can we all have a minute here? I did get this video inspiration off Lauren Curtis. She had done one of these videos quite a wee while ago. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you all in the next one where I look a wee bit more better than this.